Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Lacrosse. The Buick Lacrosse has a quiet interior, steady and supple ride, and responsive handling, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, driver front passenger heated seats, heated front seats, fog lights, electronic stability control. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.